leader. And nobody's going to mash up my state. Talking about them want to go upon them own and them want independence. I know that big country there, ma'am, not because it says a big country. I know what it is to be a leader because I have my liquor shop and I'm not going to make nobody come and run it for me.
Mr. Adams, you seem to do everything for yourself. What about your friends? Don't they help you?
Friend, ma, one friend me did have make me tell you something. Him is a notorious thief and criminal. So me not have nothing to do with him again. Oh.
Okay. Maybe your girlfriend then?
Girlfriend. Marry. Fear. Locks. Fear. Get up. Go along on that bed. Fear, go along. Go along on that bed now. Go along on that bed. Marie. You have come yet, Marie. Look down the street there, you see a woman in a one red frock. Then I forget the money to show me. He said, go along on that bed, Fear. Marie, come. Marie, come.
Mr. Adams,
Marie, come. Marie.
Listen. If you're going to continue to be your own waiter, then you have to make every effort to please the customer. Remember, the customer is always right. So cater to them now. Make them feel welcome. Smile with them, Mr. Adams. Laugh with Mr. Adams, am I getting through to you?
Getting through to me, doctor. You reach me.
No fish, no coconut oil. Me mama no wanna yam, no fish, no coconut oil. Me mama wanna yam, no fish, no coconut oil. All the dandy, shandy, all the while. Me mama no wanna yam, no fish, no coconut oil. Me mama no wanna yam, no fish, no coconut oil. Me mama no wanna yam, no fish, no coconut oil. And the all the while. The roughness on the bus, I tell you something. Why the people and picture of striking thing, I can't take it to them, I can't take it down. I come up with a little business and call it my father money. You can't get the problem. I tell you something, you see, sir. I tell you something, you come down this your headache, pure crosses on the bus, man, people picture of something, and I'm damaged. I struggle after one about government now. I tell you something, I tell you something, yes. Who there? I want to go for food, you know. Bad. Only 3 hours I spent on the bus up on my town, man. They will put them fees up with mother wants to go on. I'm Mr. Man, I tell you something. You have problem. I tell you what. You really can't take no more. I go back to school.
And when you eat kalalu and you turn back a boom, me say,
Service!
yes, sir.
You have any jerk pork there?
You jerk pork already yet.
I don't understand. We will recognize everybody knowing that this restaurant and people tell me if you come in my brand. Where you have there? But I don't see a many I see out the road, you know. I see the same thing picture up on the wall out there. But I make glasses and I work so well, you know, the lens one change. Listen, listen, man, listen. Where you have there?
Me got tripe and bean, me got stew peas, me got beef, me got cow.
Give me the beef, man. Give me the beef.
Come in and people business. Me not stand up there with them. You can't see about to cover my face, no, because me, I think, it's a serious man. You don't go quiet down with me for more concern. You put out hard down.
Are you mad? Yes, me say I whisper to the man that about my mad. Are you mad? Look for you. I'm coming up here to spend my money. You think madman can't spend money? Eh? People come in and spend the money and I spend our capital. You say, no, man. Look here, man. Come here, banana. What is it here, Kunjin?
No beef.
This is guilt.
Guilt?
Guilt. And this poor dead from old age.
Good sir. Can I easy one? Cute. This cute. Then from old age.
Let me find it funny. Waiter. Me serious. Come from. I mean, know the difference between beef and goat.
But
This is a tough goat.
I could have swear that was beef.
When you check with the chef, because I look like him don't know the difference between beef and goat.
All right, I'm going to check with him. In the meantime, enjoy your beef.
Go on, man.
Anything else, sir?
No, give me the bill. Give me the bill, man. Spending kind of money in the place or not, you can get the rights. So we should them pay for
So how this?
Now your tip.
Tip? At least you give me for tip. You mean say after I give you the first class service and I laugh after your corny joke, then will you give me at least you come give me for tip?
You have a nervy. I come in at this place here and I order beef. And you end up and give me a goat. And out of the goodness of my heart, I eat the goat because I don't want to embarrass you. And you come talk about first class service and casting contempt on the tip me give.
I want 10% for tip.
You're lucky you get anything.
Hi, you're not going anywhere. You're not going away. You're the dirt cheap.
Cheap? Cheap? Who you got to talk about cheap? I want to see the manager.
This tip not enough. I want more.
Take it if you're bad. The whole goat the way you give me, it's so tough, you should have thrown a whole nail in it. See, I don't know who worse.
The goat not tough. Are your teeth weak?
I want to see the manager.
I personally see when they was preparing that goat.
I want to see the manager.
I see them put the seasoning and them cook it.
I have to see the manager.
I see that with my own 2 eyes.
I must see the manager.
And I know the condition the goat was in.
You realize all along says good you give me, and you stand up in front of me and admit that. Eh? You cheat me, man. This is larceny, grand larceny. I want to see my lawyer. I have to see my lawyer. I'm going to take this whole place to court. Where's the manager? I have to see the manager.
The manager not here, and when him not here, me is in charge.
You should be selling bull up on the street.
Where?
When I'm done with you, going lamb behind bars. Prison for you.
You know what? You're not coming.
Give me the...
It's a let go. You're not going to tell me get my 10% tip.
Ridiculous. You really think you can stop moving a little tip? This is a free country. Where you come from, Asa? Which part you come from?
St. Mary Highgate. What that to do with you?
What that to do with me?
Come in here with your weak teeth. And I come talk about me go tough. And about you go scandal me and jeopardize my livelihood. You're a wicked man.
You should have about a kid. You're not human. You have no power of reasoning. Where you come from? Which zoo you escaped from? The one that took gardens? Of a coconut park?
You see all you? You're all capitalists.
Capitalist? Is me yourself going for beef?
All exploiter. All you exploit work.
You exploiting me!
Me not exploit you nowhere. Me want me 10%, no less than 10%.
Give me my bag.
You're not gonna.
Give me my bag.
Let it go.
Give me my bag. I'll tell you from the ground.
You're not gonna wait until you get my 10%.
Let me come on. Call him, man. Let me come on.
I admit.
Mr. Adams, after the talk I gave you and the promise you gave me, I couldn't believe that you lose your self-control over a recent trivial tip.
Doc, he's not really over the tip in the hen, you know. But what hurt me is when the man come and cast aspirations as to the ability of my cooking.
But that's not your problem, Mr. Adams. That's the cook's problem.
Doc, it look like you forget. Remember me tell you already that me's the chef and everything, Doc.
I'm so stressed out. But listen to me, Mr. Adams. Do me a favor. Hire some help or close down the restaurant and find something else to do. And above all, don't put on that waiter's uniform again.
Doc, take your advice now, Doc. Give me one more chance. Tell me what to do.
All right. But listen to me now. Under no circumstances are you to show hostility towards the customer.
Under no circumstances.
Mr. Adams, you have to understand that you are the problem, you know. Your attitude. You are just an accident waiting to happen. Mr. Adams, practice self-control. Be loving, kind, helpful.
Self-control. Be loving, kind, helpful. That is what I'm going to practice, Doc.
Loving,
Practice
kind, helpful.
Self-control. Laxi, what the excitement over now? What happened? You get promotion?
Get which promotion? Somebody see me on TV, me love. TV, you know, Oliver.
So what?
And give me work for MC1 DJ competition. $35,000.
$35,000 you get?
No, the contest appear. Can you imagine, Oliver?
That's
Me said-
nice. Hey.
Me say make me glad, you know.
You know, most glad. So then,
Jesus.
yeah, you will set me up.
Anyway, Oliver, see
Yeah.
one letter I carry for you.
Why? Me get letter.
Open it, man.
Official from the private sector club of good business.
Oliver, you get big now, you know.
Me, I tell you, man, watch this now. This is a nice thing, man. Because see, then now, dear Mr. Oliver, you have been found in violation of the business code of ethics, and with previous warnings you have persisted. Let the record show that this is your last warning. If you persist, legal action will be taken against you. This is also to let you know that we have rated your restaurant 4X. That is the lowest marks any restaurant can ever get. Sincerely, President. Locks, boy. If I slip, I slide.
And you know, they were completely flabbergasted by my presentation.
You know, I had a strange case myself as well. And based on your observations, I'd love to get your theory on it. I have this fellow who runs a restaurant. He has a split personality.
Split personality.
Hello? Oh, it's you, Lady Sarah. How are you? And what is it this time? Oh, it's Precious. It's Precious the poodle. Yes, Lady Sarah. Nightmares? Oh, dear. She's having nightmares. Yes, yes. What do you think is the cause of that? Oh, I see. It's the bulldog next door. Of course I'd be happy to see her. What time would you say? No, 2 is bad. Why don't we try for 4 o'clock? Oh, of course. Of course I'd speak to Precious. Tilda. Oh, yes, Lady Sarah. Yes, see you at 4.
I see you're attitude precious again, aren't you? Tell me a little more about this fellow with the split personality.
Well, he's the cook, the waiter, and the manager in his own restaurant.
I know. But how distinct is each personality?
Well, as the manager, he's kind and considerate to all his customers. As the waiter, he's rude and abusive. Imagine, after I spoke to him the other day, he went and lost control of himself because he thought his tip was too small.
Amazing. Amazing. When he's the waiter, he wants to wreck his own business.
He treats his customers like enemies. It's stress, you know. He's pushing himself too hard.
No. Maybe he doesn't want to run the restaurant. I know. Deep down, he doesn't want to run his own business. You know, this story reminds me of... You know, this is my area of speciality. Tell me, where is this restaurant?
21.
You must arrange for me to meet him.
Is it wise?
No. You see, I'd like to observe him in his own environment. Participant observation. Isn't that what it's called now, Fields?
Suppose he recognizes me.
We'll go wearing disguise.
Oh, terrific! I can always depend on you for marvelous ideas.
I know. I told you I recognize the place. I've been here before.
We have many restaurants like this in Delhi and Bombay.
In Nigeria.
All right, action time.
Not even your mother would recognize you now.
Ready for action?
If you eat good food, you will make plenty money. Buy bad food and you not get no money. Me want you be no say me. Oh, good evening.
Good evening.
Would you like to see a menu? We have a very special dish for our international guests.
Yes, thank you. That is nice.
Wait a little bit. Do you come in here already?
No, not at all.
I could have swear say I see your face in here anywhere. My business is to serve food, not to put nobody on no identification for it. So, would you like the special?
Special? What is that?
Is jerk breadfruit fufu chopper.
What's this breadfruit fufu chopper?
Have you ever heard of it?
No.
You want to try it?
Let's try it.
Okay, waiter, 2 jerk breadfruit egg fufu chopper.
And miss, would you like some wine with your meal? We have a very excellent wine made out of St. Thomas Gimbilin.
You have got to be joking.
No, sir. Very serious. Highly recommended.
Gimbilin wine? Exotic.
I have not had Gimbilin since I was... They have Gimbilin in this part of the world?
Oh, yes, sir. Up to last week, you know, me was passing up by Cane River and me see a tree laden with nice yellow Gimbilin. Good for you.
Okay, I'll sample it. Will you ask the manager to see us for a minute?
Oh, certainly, sire. Certainly.
I noticed no sign of abuse. Maybe he's transferred that character to the manager.